Catawba Falls.
Catawba Falls, and we're going on a 1 mile, it's like almost a mile and a half adventure hike up, and then we're gonna see some gorgeous falls. Whoa, we almost crashed. The boys have carrying duties, but I'm carrying this big book bag, they're carrying the kids, and we're gonna start our adventure. Lukey, are you comfy there? Sam's nice and
because there could be poison ivy.
Liam just asked why there is leaves on these branches, but they have this gorgeous like moss growing on them. So pretty. I wouldn't touch that, Liam.
Why?
I don't know. Actually, yeah, that's moss. Isn't it pretty? It actually like decorates the forest really pretty. But as we're walking through this trail, it's like you can feel it's like cool. And my favorite part is that you can hear the water, like you hear the water already coming down off the mountain. So just the sounds of nature and the water just sounds really cool. And look at what Aaron has. It's one of those cool water backpack thingies.
Called a camelback.
A camelback. Awesome. He wanted out, so now I'm holding him, seeing how far we can get. Lukey, did you get tired of the book bag? The thing is, I think he can't see, so he was getting tired of like putting his head over, huh? Lukey is just mesmerized by the water. This is one of our first stops. We gotta cross over this little thing. Come on, Luke. Little cave. Woo, woo. Look at that fall. Ooh, our first waterfall. Hey, Lukey. Are you feeling like a big boy? Yeah. Come on, go back up with cousin. Go, Lukey. Wait. We made it to the beautiful falls. This camera does not even, it doesn't even really show how gorgeous this is. It's so majestic and beautiful, and it goes way up. And Liam's here trying to climb all over the rocks, huh, honey?
I climbed to the top.
I saw you go all the way there. We made it to the top, and I'm nursing on a waterfall. Don't think I've ever done that before. But if you look behind me, you see the creek, and Lukey has just had it. He needs to go night-night, poor guy. So I don't know where we're gonna put him because I wanted to swim, but he's gonna knock out, I know it. And check out what I did with Lukey. I just put him there and he is just sleeping by a big log. Now I'm jumping my way across these rocks.